to show you today is how to get this diff out of here. You'll find when you get it all unbolted that you're still kind of stuck, that it's on a little lip on this side. Anyways, the trick is you got to take something, a chisel or pry bar, free up where it's all been silicone there, and or a chisel, whatever. You want to hit the black part, not the white metal. And then you can see on the side here that there's kind of a keyhole, I guess. When I turn this, the ears that are stuck behind here come out that hole. And there's a little spacer in there that goes with this bearing. A lot of people put it back together without that, and then their axle is about 1 inch too long, or whatever, the thickness of that too long from tightening up. So if you run into that, you probably lost the spacer along the way. That slides onto the axle as you're putting it in. And once you got that out, see how it got a collar on it. It's the same thing on this side, so you can't slip it out. I just left this one bolt in place so I could tap it around. Bring me the hammer. Bring it over. Get the hammer. Bring the hammer. Girl. Good dog. Okay, leave it alone. Nope. Yes, that's it. Just pull it this way and tip it back, and you're out with it. So I'm sure that it saved people trouble, because even doing 1,000,000 of them, I still forget sometimes. And I'm thinking, I know I got to do something with that tube. So you got to turn it so it goes in and out of the hole. Basically like this. And it's still a tight fit. And when they're all silicone like that, it takes a little bit of tapping to loosen it all up. That's it for today, everybody. Thanks for watching.